Software needed for software development. Under this course, you may have the privilege to be looking at the software like text editor, web browser, programming language, and local server, if God permits. So but we'll try to cover everything under this place. So when you say text editor is among the softwares needed for software development. It's part of the software that we use in developing software. We have example of text editor like VS Code, Sublime Text, and Notepad++, and many more. We have many of them. But I prefer using Sublime Text or VS Code, so you can get any one of these for your coding class. Then the other thing here, we'll be using web browser like Chrome, Firefox, and the rest. What they call Opera Mini. You can use it also. So this web browser is what we use to see the result of our code when we first start coding. Then the other thing here that we'll be looking at is programming language. What is the language that we'll be using to write this code? For basic class, we'll be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is our first area of concentration before we now proceed to like Python. That's the main programming language that we'll be using. Then last but not the least, for the tools that we'll be using for software development is local server. This one is optional, but some people use local server to host their software. So local server like SAMP, WAMP, LAMP, and the rest. So those are the tools. Those are the important tools that we'll be looking at.